A hiker lay injured, alone in the mountains. But the last thing he expected to save him was a tiny bird. It happened on a quiet hiking trail in the UK countryside. A man slipped on a wet rock, twisting his leg so badly he couldn't stand. His phone was dead, and the trail was empty. Cold wind, no signal, no one coming. He thought he was completely alone. Then, out of nowhere, a tiny robin landed beside him. At first, he thought it was just curious, but the bird didn't leave. It hopped closer, chirping loudly, as if trying to keep him awake. The robin kept flying up to branches and returning, never leaving his side. Minutes later, two hikers heard strange chirping echoing through the trail. They followed the sound and found the tiny bird fluttering circles around the injured man, almost guiding them. The hikers called emergency services immediately. When rescuers carried the man out, the robin stayed on a nearby branch, watching until the ambulance left. One of the rescuers said, "Without that little bird, we might have never found him." Sometimes heroes have wings, sometimes they're tiny, but they show up exactly when we need them most.